Hello guys, today we'll talk about garden kitchen or outdoor kitchens. The outdoor kitchen is likely to become a focal point in your outdoor area, so perhaps it is a particularly beautiful view you wish to highlight or spend more time in. Choose an area that is open and has lots of space for people to gather around. It's also important to consider the practical elements of where you will place your outdoor kitchen. When you have got guests around on summer's evening, you have got to keep the drinks flowing. Install an outdoor fridge or wine cooler to keep bottles within arm's reach. An area with a covered section should be able to hold stylish pendant lighting, whereas if you are against a wall far from main looks into festoon or solar lighting. A canopy is a must if you want to make the most of your outdoor kitchen year round. But while it may give you shelter from the rain, it also blocks out the sunshine. That's where a bioclimatic canopy becomes essential. Don't have the space for a large outdoor kitchen? A compact set should can work just as well. All you need is space to prepare outdoors, while cupboards can conceal the cooking clutter. The smallest of trolleys with a shelving unit underneath to keep essentials at hand is ideal for a compact pizza oven or portable barbecue on your patio or balcony, transforming the space into your own slice of pizza heaven. Installing the plumbing required can be costly. You could look to positioning your sink in an external wall of the house below an existing outdoor tap to minimize the cost. Keep life simple for yourself by rigging up a space to hang your oft used utensils. Open storage or labeled drawers will also cut down on your time searching for what you need. The structure will firstly add a pretty backdrop to your cooking space, meaning you are not just looking at a brick wall or an old fence. Paint in a pretty shade or train climbing plants upward for extra impact. Think cottagecore for a charming take in outdoor kitchen ideas. Rustic brick pizza ovens or barbecues will add old worldly appeal. Take safety into consideration when planning the layout. Make sure there's a safe flow from cooking area to drinking space or dining space. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like the ideas and you will apply it in your home and the garden. So subscribe our channel and hit the like button.